it's Adam here from SatNav Systems. Today I want to show you the park assist upgrade done on the Audi Q2 model. So I want to show you the operation, how it works and all that. So first of all, select the drive. So you want to go forward. Then we need to press the button. This has been added to the car. The car had front and rear sensors, as you can see now showing, but we've done the park assist, so this button is extra now. You press that, it shows, the screen changes. What you need to do, you need to select the indicator for which side you want the car to scan the area for parking. So in our case, it's going to be driver's side, so indicator to the right. Here we go, and yeah, you just release the brake pedal and let it just drive slowly while it scans the area. So there you go. Now it says please select the reverse gear and let go of the steering wheel. So I'm going to select the reverse. There you go, reverse is done. My hands are here, I'm not touching the steering wheel. Release the brake pedal and it does it itself. It's just reversing, and the steering wheel and everything works on its own. There you go. Need to reverse slightly more. There you go. Now it tells you put the gear forward into drive again, release the brake, adjust it, and there you go. That's it, done. So this is down to the factory specification, 3 years warranty. It's available across the Audi model range, not only Q2. So please get in touch, info@satnavsystems.com for more information. Thank you.